Previous year question and answer solution of stream. Civil Engineering, Semester 5, Paper Code CE PC 501, Subject Name, Design of RC Structures. 1. Why are the under-reinforced RCC beam sections much better than the over-reinforced RCC sections? Answer. Ductile behavior. In under-reinforced sections, steel yields before concrete crushes, giving large deflection and visible cracks as warning before failure. Safe mode of failure. Failure is gradual, tension failure, unlike over-reinforced sections where sudden brittle compression failure occurs. Better energy absorption. Yielding of steel allows higher energy dissipation, making under-reinforced beams safer under dynamic and seismic loads. Economy in design. Full strength of steel is utilized efficiently before concrete reaches its limiting strain. Codal recommendation. IS 456 recommends under-reinforced sections to ensure ductile, predictable, and safe structural performance. 2. Determine Fe 415 reinforcement for 300 mm x 600 mm M15 beam section with 150 kN bending moment. Answer. Given breadth B equals 300 mm, overall depth equals 600 mm, effective depth D equals 550 mm assumed, grade of concrete is M15, which means FEK equals 15 megapascals. Grade of steel is Fe 415, which means Fy equals 415 megapascals. Factored bending moment. Mu equals 150 kilonewtons. Which equals 150 times 10 to the power of 6 newtons. Millimeters. Step 1. Check limiting moment of resistance. Mu lim equals 0.138 times FEK times B times D squared. Mu lim equals 0.138 times 15 times 300 times 550 squared. 15 times 10 to the power of 6 newtons. Millimeters. Since mu is less than mu lim, the section is singly reinforced. Step 2. Calculate area of tensile steel as the formula is mu equals 0.87 times Fy times S times D minus 0.4, 2 times Xu. For Fe 415, Xu max equals 0.4, 8 times D equals 0.4, 8 times 550, which equals 264 millimeters. Z equals D minus 0.4, 2 times Xu max equals 550 minus 0.4, 2 times 264, which equals 439 millimeters. Now, as equals mu divided by 0.87 times phi times z, as equals 150 times 10 to the power of 6 divided by 0.87 times 415 times 439, as is approximately 947 square millimeters. Step 3. Provide reinforcement. Provide 3 bars of 20 mm diameter. The area of steel provided, as provided, is 3 times 314, which equals 942 square millimeters, approximately equal to the required area of steel. Final answer. Required tensile steel area equal to 947 square millimeters. Provide 3 numbers of 20 mm diameter Fe 415 bars in tension zone. 3. Explain the concept of stress block for limit state of collapse in flexure. Answer. Concept. In limit state method, IS 456-2000, the stress block represents the assumed distribution of compressive stresses in concrete at the ultimate limit state of flexural collapse. Strain assumption, plane sections before bending remain plane after bending, and the maximum compressive strain in concrete at the extreme compression fiber is 0.0035. Stress distribution, the actual nonlinear stress strain curve of concrete, is replaced by an equivalent rectangular stress block for design simplicity. Design values. The resultant compressive force in concrete is taken as equal to 0.36 FEK/BXU, acting at a depth of 0.42 XU from the extreme compression fiber. Purpose. This idealized stress block simplifies flexural strength calculations and ensures safe, conservative, and codal design of RCC beams and slabs. 4. Calculate FE 250 stirrups for shearing force of 100 kN in 250 x 400 mm M15 beam with 1% steel rebars. Answer. Given breadth of beam B equals 250 mm, overall depth equals 400 mm, effective depth D equals 350 mm, assumed grade of concrete is M15, which means FEK equals 15 megapascals. Grade of steel, stirrups, is Fe 250. Percentage of tension steel equals 1%. Factored shear force, 5U equals 100 kilonewtons, which equals 100 times 10 to the power of 3 newtons. Step 1. Nominal shear stress. The formula for nominal shear stress, TV, is 5U divided by B times D. Substituting the values, TV equals 100 times 10 to the power of 3 divided by 250 times 350. This simplifies to TV equals 1.14 newtons per square millimeter. Step 2. Design shear strength of concrete. From IS 456 Table 19, for M15 concrete and 1% steel, the shear strength of concrete TC equals 0.48 newtons per square millimeter. Since TV is greater than TC, shear reinforcement is required. Step 3. Shear to be resisted by stirrups. The formula for shear to be resisted by stirrups, VUS, is 5U minus torque times B times D. Substituting the values, VUS equals 100 times 10 to the power of 3 minus 0.48 times 250 times 350. This simplifies to VUS equals 100,000 minus 42,000, which equal to 58,000 newtons. Step 4. Spacing of vertical stirrups. For two-legged 8 mm stirrups, the area of stirrups ASV is 2 times pi 4 times 8 squared, which equal to 100.5 square millimeters. The formula for stirrup spacing SV is 0.87 times Fy times ASV times D divided by VUS. Substituting the values, SV equal to 0.87 times 250 times 100.5 times 350 divided by 58,000, this simplifies to SV equals approximately 132 millimeters. Step 5. Check maximum spacing, IS 456. The formula for maximum spacing, SMax, is the minimum of 0.75 times D and 300. Substituting the values, SMax equals the minimum of 262.5 and 300, which equals 262.5 millimeters. Final answer, two-legged 8 mm diameter FE 250 vertical stirrups at 130 mm CC along the beam. 5. Explain in brief the structural design procedure of RCC piles and pile cap. Answer. Structural design of RCC piles, load assessment, determine axial load, lateral load, and bending moment from superstructure including self-weight of pile, as per IS 456. Pile capacity, check safe load capacity of pile based on end bearing and skin friction obtained from soil data. Structural design, design pile as a short compression member. Check for axial load with minimum eccentricity and bending using interaction criteria. Reinforcement detailing, provide minimum longitudinal steel greater than or equal to 0.4% of cross-section and lateral ties as per IS 456 for confinement and durability. Structural design of pile cap, load transfer, distribute, column, load to individual piles, assuming either rigid or flexible pile cap behavior. Bending and shear, design pile cap for bending moment and check one-way and punching shear. Reinforcement, provide main reinforcement along tension zones connecting piles and column with proper anchorage and cover as per IS 456.